I was really missing Chick-fil-A sandwich and Waffle Love, so I decided to make chicken and waffles the other day. To make the waffles, you need to add lukewarm water, milk, and yeast in the bowl of a stand mixer and let this proof for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add the eggs, salt, honey, I think this is 2 tablespoons, and 1.5 tablespoons vanilla. So mix this using a paddle attachment and beat on medium speed until combined. Yan, beat nyo lang, wait for it. And then add your brown sugar and butter. 1 cup na butter. And then beat again for 2 minutes. Soften dapat yung butter pero hindi nyo kailangang i-mix mabuti. Yan, parang ganyan yung mixture. Add your flour, 1 cup at a time, and beat for a minute or until combined. Add another cup of flour, beat again, and then after this, you're gonna switch to a dough hook. Add your third cup of flour, and then beat. After that, pag na-mix na, add your last cup and low speed. Yan, pag hindi na dumidikit yung dough sa sides, okay na siya. Let this rest for 3 hours and then punch the dough to release air bubbles. Cover it well with saran wrap, plastic wrap, and chill in the fridge for 6 to 14 hours. Make your sauce for the chicken by adding 1 cup mayo, mustard, barbecue sauce, more barbecue sauce, honey, and more honey, garlic powder, paprika, and lemon juice. Mix until well combined and lagay nyo sa fridge until ready to serve. Yan, get your chicken breast fillets and babad nyo sa pickle juice and water for 2 hours. After marinating, pwede nyo nang lutuin yung chicken. So this is milk and egg para i-dip nyo yung chicken. Mix nyo. Mix. Flour for the breading, ay na may naiwan. Powdered sugar, paprika, ground black pepper, chili powder, salt, baking powder, cayenne if you want a spicy chicken sandwich. Mix, mix, mix well. And babad nyo siya sa milk and egg mixture and then i-coat nyo sa flour. After that, ibalik nyo siya sa egg mixture. And then, i-coat nyo ulit siya sa flour. So, i-double dip nyo siya. So, dapat pinapainit nyo na rin yung mantika para ready na siya na i-fry. You will fry this sa mantika na I think 160 degrees. 4 minutes per side. Medyo nasunog. After 6 hours, ilabas nyo na yung dough. I-divide nyo sa 8 to 12 pieces and you will be shaping them into balls or discs. Tapos i-flat nyo and ilalagay sa waffle maker. Ayan, after cutting, i-shape nyo na siya. Inunahan ko lang yung video. Pero yan, sinishake na. Shape, shape, shape. Transition. And lagay nyo na siya sa waffle maker. Ay, dumikit. Depende sa inyo, basta wag nyo siyang hayaang masunog. Mga 2 minutes or 3 minutes kung nilagay sa waffle maker yung dough. Yan, tada, ay kulang and medyo white pa siya. Kung gusto nyong medyo crispy, tagalan nyo siya sa waffle maker. Yan, assemble nyo na yung sandwich. Lagay nyo yung waffle, chicken, sauce. Sobrang copycat ng Chick-fil-A sauce. Na-miss ko yung Chick-fil-A. And then, pwede nyo na siyang kainin. Malaki lang siya, pero pwede nyo siyang hatiin sa dalawa para lunch at dinner nyo na.